Okay, so parts laid out here for issue 33 of the Valentino Rossi bike. It says oil feed cover, which is that one. Oh, I thought that was connected. It isn't. Oil feed cover and final clutch parts. So hopefully that's oil feed cover and then some final clutch parts. Once again, yeah, working on the engine. So just going to get this constructed and then fitted onto the engine, I think. So this will be the assembly for issue 33. Okay, so yeah, this is the oil feed cover. Yeah, it's going to go onto the engine. Just trying to identify where really. It's not that difficult because there's a part there that's the same shape as this, and it just kind of gets fitted on, push fitted on. Yeah, so that just gets push fitted on to that area there. Yeah, just see that oil feed cover. Then this short hose gets pushed on. You've got to make sure it goes on the right peg. So it does, yeah, it goes onto the right peg, I think. Yep. Okay, so there's a peg there that it goes onto, this hose. Okay, so that kind of goes in that area there, onto that peg. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. It's me being silly. Mount the oil feed cover as shown. Take the free end of the hose coming out of the cylinder head. Sorry, it's this one. So it's not the short hose. It's one that's coming out of the cylinder head that goes into there. Okay, I just put the wrong hose in there. Sorry. So this one's coming out of the cylinder head, and this one kind of goes into there. And then the short hose that came with this one goes between, there's two hoses, there's a hose there on the side and one there. Quite difficult to see, I'm sure. There's a free end there and there's a free end there that this hose goes onto. I'll show you when it's finished, when it's attached. So there, so you can just about see that now. So that's that short hose, goes from there up to there. Then we take this gold part of the clutch pressure plate, and we've got this has obviously got these details on the outside, detailed wording on the outside. Okay, and I think it just gets pushed onto it. I'm trying to make sure it goes on the right way around. Okay, so it looks like that when it's finished. When it's connected. Then this clutch centre. So again, push fitted on. That's quite tough. Come on, let me try it the other way around. Just to see if there's a right way. That's quite tough. There we go. That was quite tough to get on, but it's on now. So that's what that looks like now. It gets fitted onto the clutch itself. Okay, so just the clutch that we assembled in the last issue. and this is just going to get push fitted on. Eventually, that's what the clutch kind of looks like. Quite nicely detailed. And then that gets fitted onto, or push fitted onto the engine, and the clutch plate obviously there. I don't know if there's a right way and a wrong way that this goes on. Don't think there is. Okay, kind of what that looks like. It's fitted onto the engine.